Let me teach you how to customize your layout for your PlayStation 5 controller. If this video helped you, all I ask in return is that you subscribe. Let's go. Now this is extremely easy. You want to head over to your home menu in here. You want to go up over here to your settings. It should be right next to your profile and go ahead and open it. Now over here, you want to head over to accessibility right here, the second option. And then in here, you want to scroll down to controllers right here. Go ahead and press in there. And now you want to choose custom button assignments for DualSense wireless controllers. I'm pretty sure this doesn't work with all the controllers. As long as you have an original PlayStation 5 controller, this will work, and maybe some other pro controllers might work. But if you have, some random controller, this might not work. Now, once you find this menu in here, go ahead and open it. And in here, you want to first enable custom button assignments. So just go ahead and press X, and this will turn on. Now in here, you could go down and press where it says customize button assignments. Once you press in there, you'll get this menu here where you can now switch buttons around. Something I like to do personally, for example, I like flipping the circle with the square just because I play a lot of FIFA and I used to play a lot of Pro Evolution Soccer before, and they have these two buttons switch. So I prefer to directly switch it up here on the input of the controller instead of from within the game. But you could change anything around in here except the PS button. You could customize everything else, and once you're ready, just go ahead and hit apply. And if you ever want to turn off the setting, just go back into the settings tab, go to accessibility, go down to controllers, press on custom buttons, and then here you could turn it on and off. And of course you could reset it, but that is pretty much how to change your button layout for the PS5 controller. If this video helped you, all I ask is that you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.